This is the before. Ooh. Here is the after. I'm obsessed. It's long layers, it's darker. So I just changed. I have my bag with me. I'm just wearing this black Sherpa with this black like patent leather vest, and then just my garage jeans, and then just Ugg boots. So I am going to the grocery store to go grocery shopping for the week, get a bunch of food and snacks that I like so everyone doesn't steal my snacks in my house. So I just got out of the shower. I obviously didn't wash my hair because it got washed today when it was getting done. I'm just going to put it up in a clip really quick. The only self-tan that I really use is the Saint Tropez tan. This is in the shade Extra Dark. I'm pretty sure it comes in like 3 or 4 different shades. I think like light, medium, and then extra dark. So my trick here with this is I used to use a tanning mitt all the time to apply my tan. Like obviously what else are you gonna use? But the tanning mitt absorbs so much product and I feel like I just get such a better, darker, like less streaky tan when I use gloves. I saw these girls on TikTok, I forgot their names, but they're twins. They use latex gloves instead of the mitt to self-tan and it just comes out so much better. And the last 3 times I self-tanned, I've been using the gloves instead and it comes out so much better. I cannot believe I was using a mitt. If you use a mitt, stop it. I also moisturize with the Vaseline Essential Healing Intensive Care, especially like around your knuckles, on your feet, your knees, your elbows, anywhere you don't want the tan to stick. And I'm gonna let that just sit for like 45 minutes to an hour and then I'm gonna tan and I'll be back. Okay, so I just did the first layer of self-tan. You can see my body is a lot darker than my face. I do have a pimple patch on right now, so don't mind that, but when I take the pimple patch off, instead of using the mousse that I use on my body, I use the Saint Tropez Gradual Self-Tan. This is like a cream. In like 30 minutes, I'm probably gonna apply a second layer of tan just so I get really tan. And then wait a couple hours, wash it off, and then I'll be back. It is currently 11:06 and I just got out of the shower. I washed off the self-tan. It honestly looks really good. I don't know what's happening with my skin. it looks really, really bad right now. I'm going to do a little skincare before I go to bed. I'm not going to go too in-depth with everything that I use. I'm definitely going to do a in-depth skincare routine soon, I think. I'm just waiting for the shelving to come to put all my skincare stuff up so I can see it better, and it's kind of, everything's getting lost right now because it's just like piled on top of each other and it's just a mess. I always use like so many products at night, I feel like, because I want my skin to be like really hydrated when I wake up, and especially if I'm breaking out, sometimes it's because my skin is dry, which sounds crazy, but like if it's too dry it will overproduce like oil to, because it thinks your body needs oil or something. I don't know. I really don't know, but I heard that, and it sounds pretty promising. I'm going to put some like acne stuff on my pimples right now because I'm praying I wake up and they are gone. Okay, so skincare is done, and that's pretty much it for skincare.